In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add underline in Adobe Acrobat 2026, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your PDF, apply an underline to the text you want to emphasize, and adjust the underline color so it stands out the way you need. Start by launching Adobe Acrobat. With the app open, look to the upper left corner and click the main menu. From there, choose Open. This brings up your file browser so you can navigate to the PDF you want to work on. Select the file you need to underline in, and then click Open to load it into Acrobat. Once your document is open, turn your attention to the side panel. This panel houses tools you'll use to mark up your PDF. Find the highlight tool in that panel and click it to expand the text markup options. Within those options, choose Underline. Acrobat groups underline with other text markup tools, so selecting it here tells the app you want to add an underline annotation rather than edit the actual text of the PDF. Now underline the text you want. Click and drag across the word or phrase you want to emphasize. When you release your mouse, Acrobat will place a clean underline beneath the selection. If the underline isn't exactly where you want it, simply try again. Getting a precise selection is as easy as dragging once more over the right text. If you'd like to change the underline color, you can. Look again to the left side panel and find the color circle. This icon shows the current annotation color. Click that color circle to open the color picker. Choose the color that best fits your document or branding. Note that existing underlines keep the color they had when you created them. To apply your new color to text you've already underlined, delete the current underline and add it again. The quickest way to remove it is to click the underline annotation and delete it, then reselect the text with the underline tool active. The fresh underline will adopt the new color you just picked. That's the full process. Open your PDF through the menu, access the text markup tools in the side panel, select underline, drag to underline the text you need, and if desired, adjust the color through the color circle and reapply the underline so it matches your new choice. Use this workflow whenever you need to call attention to key points, dates, or terms in a PDF while keeping the original content intact.